Welcome to PIXIPACE, and this is and today we are going to learn about blah blah blah. Well, hey there, I'm back with a new video. In this video we are going to convert this beautiful art which is designed via SHARN, my friend, and today we are going to convert this drawing into a realistic design. So for that we need two major things, and one of that is this putnida, I mean to say this skull, and the another one is flower. So with the help of just two things we can design this beautiful drawing, we can convert this beautiful drawing into a realistic design. So let's do this. But before watching this video, don't forget to share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your friends and family so that I can get your support, which I really needed from your side. This is the only thing which I'm asking again and again from your side. So let me clarify the tools which I used in this design. One of them major tool is pen tool, and regarding the pen tool I made a complete playlist which is completely free for you. You should watch that videos so that you can be a master in pen tool. And the another one tool is definitely transform wrap tool. While using that tools I convert the shapes organically. And the another one is definitely stamp tool, which I also explained in my previous videos. Filter wise I use a liquify filter to play with the shape, to play with the skull. And another one is masking. Definitely masking will be used everywhere. So these are the major tools in this video. I hope you will learn. So you should watch the complete playlist about the pen tool so that you can be a master, and you should watch my previous videos too so that you can learn brush tool, masking and the stamp tool. Enjoy the music and watch the complete video. Be a motivated person and keep supporting. This is what I can say. What should I say to you? And again I should say thank you so much, SHARN, for designing this most creative design. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Well, pen tool is not only used to remove the background, it is also in use to add the shapes. Right now I'm adding the shape with the help of pen tool. With the help of pen tool I'm creating paths, or you can create a shape too, and then I add the skull in that while using the stamp tool. So these are the rules of this one. And if you have any question and if you have any drawing, then you can share it with me. And one more thing, if you want a t-shirt or hoodie or any kind of clothing with this design, then you can also let me know in a comment section. I can make it available for you. Now enjoy the music and video too. Keep supporting me by subscribing to PIXIPACE channel.
What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Well, masking is playing major role in that, and with the use of masking we are playing with the flowers. With the help of masking we are moving unwanted areas of flowers, because in this skull there are inside flowers and outside of the skull flowers too. So with the help of masking we can do that, so that we can make it a more realistic drawing, more realistic art.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. veins. I've been driving this train, years in this lane. There's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make.
Then to change the color of flowers or anything, we can use the hue and saturation properties, and while using them we can convert from red to blue and to yellow. What kind of color do you want, you can do that while just using one tool, that is a hue and saturation.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine. Yeah, true passion shines and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking.
There I made up 3 kind of flowers, and red one is original, and blue and yellow we convert it while using the hue and saturation properties.
I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Now to make it more realistic drawing, we can, you can use the levels, you can use the curves, or you can just make a empty layer and draw a black color on top of that. The flowers which are inside the skulls, like an eyes or one flower near about the teeth, you can check this is inside the skull. So to make it more realistic, just play with the black color. You can use again levels, curves, or a simple black color, so that you can make a depth in that. Depth is the most important thing, by the way, in a graphic design. To make it more realistic, you should need to add a depth, and depth can be added with the help of black colors, with the help of different tools. But if you are a fresher in that, then you can simply draw with the black color, but make it a soft. If you are using soft brush, then definitely you can make it a more realistic.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flies, so here come the clouds, They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost, Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So this is how you can convert a simple drawing into a design. And again, to make it a poster, you can use different tools. Like in the background I use a filter, and again you can write whatever you want to write. You can use it as a post. By the way, again, if you want a print on your hoodie or any kind of clothing like a t-shirt, then you can let me know. I can make it available for you. We also provide clothing like hoodies, t-shirt with our designs. And again, thank you so much, SHARN, for providing this beautiful drawing to me. This is really a super amazing drawing. And again, let me know if you guys need anything in clothing with the beautiful designs. If you want a custom design, if you want your design, you can share your drawing and you can share your photos. I can make it beautiful for you. Then you can use it on your clothes. You just need to let me know down below in a comment section, then I'll work for you. So this is what we can draw by using the simple few tools. You just need to be perfect in tools. You don't need to play every tool in Adobe Photoshop. You can just play with a few tools, but be perfect in the tools. By the way, no one is perfect, that's true, but you can be a master, you can be expert. So if you have any kind of drawing, then you can share it with me. I can make it a more realistic for you. And here I'm not a creative person, here I'm just using the tool. You are a creative person, because this is completely your creativity and tools are not providing us a creativity, it's in our mind. Like in this drawing, it's a SHARN creativity. I'm just using the tool. It means in this video or in this design, I'm contributing near about 5 to 10% only. It's completely 90% about the creativity. So be a creative person, design anything. You don't need a high-end systems or tools. You can be a creative person with just pen and pencil, with just paper and pencil, paper and pen. This is what you can do. You can draw amazing pictures. And this is it for today's video. And if you have any question, you can let me know down below in a comment section. And if you have any kind of drawing, then you can share it with me. I can make a design for you. I can make a video for you. And if you want to learn tools, then you can let me know. I can make a tutorials on tools. If you have any specific problem in a specific tool in any Adobe Creative Cloud software, then you can let me know. So see you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again,
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's